today's session increased my confidence to attend the interview. Actually, I was getting lot of call to have a interview, but I think it will help me a lot. How to.
First, okay, this is very, very important topic. Try to understand it. The purpose you understand it, okay? Maybe. In interviews, in resume, there is a question, okay? What is your service now experience? 3 years. Okay. What you did in these 3 years. Then we immediately will say like, okay, I implemented something on ITSM applications. Because ITSM applications are simple applications. So everyone, this is a default application in every platform. Okay. Half of the people, 80% of the people mainly do work on this. Okay. Maybe 60%. Remaining 40, like all new things, APM, PPM, demand, okay, integrations and all. So implementation of ITSM apps. This is the dialogue we will tell. Now, what is the meaning of this particular line? So now immediately they will ask what you implemented in ITSM application, what you implemented exactly, right? These three questions are very common questions in ServiceNow side, very, very common questions, right? Okay. Now what you implemented in ITSM applications, when you get this question, okay, what is our reply? What can be our reply? Anyone know about these questions? Anyone can?
Yeah, I think we can answer yes. Worked on incident management, problem change, and request management.
So we will say what you implemented. Okay, let's say I worked on incident application, okay, problem application, okay, change application, maybe request means catalogs, completely catalogs. Okay, our phase 3 is request management. So request application, right?
Knowledge up.
Knowledge also important application. Okay, so knowledge I will say. Okay, so we said like that. Okay, what you implemented, I worked on these applications. Now again, I am not satisfied. What you did on this application, right? So now what is our answer?
Depends on the client requirement. We customize the
Created
application
columns, UI actions.
and define the new workflows.
Okay, columns created, UI policies created. Okay,
Based on the client requirement, we used to work on.
no ma. So see, based on client, if we tell like based on client requirement, we used to tell. Okay, we used to do. Where is the correct answer? I'm an interviewer. I'm expecting like what you did on incident management, and you said whatever my client give, I do. What you did exactly? Any example you can provide? That's what we expect. Correct? So if you say based on my client requirement, I do, then what is the actual answer? There is no answer there. Correct? You are getting my point, ma? Yes.
That's
So when we
Yes.
say I did something on incident management, what you did on incident management? That should be very, very specific. So let's say based on our understanding, okay, so far we did so far we did a few concepts. We covered few concepts based on those topics, 20 classes or 18 classes or something. Now take one example, like app equal to incident application. Okay. Now someone try what you implemented on an incident application. Anyone? Now no restriction. Anyone?
yeah.
Created fields,
We implement.
sections, and
Be very specific.
layout.
Be very specific. Creating is different. Created is different.
Added
Created.
one column.
Okay.
Added one column on the incident table called
Uh,
the user country.
okay. You are covering my point, but you bluff me. You said I did this many. So you have 3 years of experience. Go.
Not
Okay,
only
so
user country, I have added multiple column and
Be
fields on that.
specific. Be specific. Numbers.
Around three columns.
Okay. So created 3 columns.
Mhm.
Uh-huh. Then
User country and
okay, names are not required. Okay, let's say like this.
okay.
Then
Then added couple of UI policies on it.
okay, then UI policies. Then
Create different views for incident application and UI
Okay,
policy
created a
actions.
new view for incident management application. Yeah, good. Next.
And we have created UI policy actions.
Okay, so
That
UA policy action, both are same. No, okay, fine. No actions. Then
And
what
capture
else?
this all activity into the update set and move to the test,
Okay,
and
good.
got the UAT from client and
That
moved
and
it
all
to
life
the
cycle.
production.
Okay, we know it. Okay, that is not life cycle, but we don't explain that. What exactly work you did on incident application? Okay, you created three columns. You created one UA policy. You created one extra view.
And
Okay.
expanded length. I mean that field was string field, and I expanded that length as well in it. It was 40, so I expanded to 100 characters.
So I written like this. Okay. What else?
Created new assignment groups.
Created groups. Okay, that is groups actually. That is a normal activity. But let's say like created groups.
Created related lists.
Created related list. Star didn't tell it. Okay. Then what else? Created a new section. Correct. We created a new section on the form, right? So
Redesigned the
Reference.
incident
Given
form.
more roles,
uh,
ITL roles to users.
that is
And
that is like user administration. Correct only, but that is not comes under development actually. Okay, user
Okay.
groups, user roles. Okay, that and all not development, but it's normal activities only. Okay. So what else?
I
redesign the incident form.
Okay, maybe I redesign the very nice. Okay, redesign the incident form
Yes,
layout.
and
yes. Restricted the user reference field.
And you know, dictionary override for few fields,
So here I said. Here I
labels.
said. I said
from
here.
this from these three column, one column in one field, I restricted to with the restriction qualifier, reference qualifier.
Reference code, very good. Okay, so one of the field is a reference field, and I have a specific requirement to show only VIP users, so restricted.
Correct.
So
Correct.
restricted using reference qualifier. What else you implemented on instant application? That's more than enough, no? At least we spoken something, right, for 10 minutes.
Correct. Correct.
And beyond, you can little go. Okay, maybe I created 12 fields. You can more give descriptive. Okay, so how you restricted? What is the restriction here? Reference qualifier. What reference qualifier type you used it? Okay, so what UI policy exactly you created? Okay, what is the condition? What is the action? Right? How many you created? Okay, what is the view name? Okay, how many fields you kept it? Okay, you updated the existing fields attributes. So you make sure that it didn't impacted it. So dictionary override. Right? And label change. Create a related list. Create a new section and redesign the form layout. So at least we are speaking 5 minutes here. If we can able to frame the words properly. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Will.
So this is only the start. For phase one, we are able to at least speak something. Maybe for phase two, then we will add. Okay, I created a business tool. I created a client script. I created something. I created this thing. That thing and all. Then phase three, we will see catalogs and workflows. There I will say, during my 3 years of my time, I created more than 150 catalog items and designed 100 workflows. And I know all the activities in this. I can able to manage it. Then phase four, we will say integration. What integration we did? I got a chance to work on an integration where if an incident is created on ServiceNow, the same instance will replicate in Jira Incident Management. So you implemented something for incident management project only, but how you are applying your knowing knowledge in interviews, you are getting that point, correct?
Yes, correct.
Everyone first time learners, you are understanding my point, ma? This is very, very important point, okay? Why I am telling is you need to start speaking like this, thinking like this. You need to frame your answers, okay? Every class after you grab the summary of that particular thing and then apply to the existing projects. Now you can take incident. Maybe you can take problem. What you implemented in problem, same dialogues. You created 10 fields on the problem record. You created a dictionary override. You created a reference qualifier. Then change the dialogues. That's it. Instead of saying incident page, you say problem page. Creating a column on incident table, creating a column on a problem table. Is there any difference?
No.
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 Creating a UA policy on incident table, creating a UA policy on problem table. Is there any difference?
No.
No. We are understanding, ma? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So first thing, right? Any questions on this first thing before I go to the second thing? Any question?
If they will ask what are the challenges you faced
That
while
that
creating.
we will get it, sir. Okay, we will get it because if you do more practice, the more issues you see. That is the challenge. Let's say yesterday someone posted, so I'm backing out my update set. It is not allowing me. That is a challenge. What you learned from that challenge? Why
Okay.
backout is not allowed? Because there is some dependencies on that particular one of the update. So if you clean that update, that dependency will affect. So system will not force you to back out. Okay. Actually, in live environment, we don't do backout very oftenly. Backout is very dangerous. It will spoil the image of the platform. And if it removes something, it is very difficult to get it back. Okay. So backward we try to not do much because it has a lot of limitations, like connectivities, dependencies, limitations and all. Right? We don't do. But that is one of the issue you can tell. Everything, see here, that's why I said every day practice, practice, practice. The question you asked, that question is very, very, very valid question, very important question, but I don't have answer. No one have an answer. Is there any specific answer that I can give ma, for that question?
Lost it.
No. It comes from our experience, correct? Correct? So the more you need to practice, the more you need to grab it, and then that time your mind will tell you, okay, just align. Okay, you are now a storyteller. That time you become like a storyteller. Okay, create this issue, align it, and then tell like this. I got an issue. I found this issue like this. Then I tried this one. Okay, it didn't work. And then I tried the other way. It worked. Then fixed. Understanding, ma? Yes. Good. Any other question? No questions. Okay. Sir, now, okay. Uh, here, I think someone needs to keep it on mute now. Please check your mics. Okay. So here, you are correct, sir. We understood. Please keep it on mute now. Please check your mics.
Got it.
Please be attentive now. Okay. So here, right?
Sridhar, I have a question.
Yes,
Sorry.
please.
So when we say the implementation of an application, so far I have worked on BMC Remedy, right? So I haven't like in BMC Remedy I have heard like something like implementation of ITSM in the sense like they will start from the scratch actually, like from the requirement gathering, installations, procuring the servers, installations, and from there to loading of the foundation data like site location,
They also will come,
people
sir.
data.
They also
Right.
will come, sir. In one, see
Uh,
here, we didn't go to that level. Okay, but
okay.
let's say in your company you are establishing incident management. Earlier there was a different tool. Okay, remedy tool is there. In remedy tool they used to capture incident management application. Now all of a sudden they purchased the ServiceNow license, and then maybe after 2 months of time we will use only ServiceNow tool. So that time we need to do so many things, not only this farm layout and all. There are so many other activities you need to do, correct? So all the activities we
Right.
will learn in future. So get the data, okay, connect to this one. So many things we will do, sir. We will learn all of them. Okay, I think
Right.
we will
Uh,
learn, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So after that, like according to the requirements, the client requirements, a small like here and there, like a few customizations are there.
We will
Then
do it.
I think they will implement that one, and they will hand it over to the client. So that
Correct, correct,
something like there the project ends actually.
correct, sir.
So from there onwards, I think clients will take care of the
See, there are two
application.
types of projects. Okay, implementation project and operation based project. Okay, so now something is not there. Someone will come and completely implement it and then leave. One kind of project. Once that is done, then Internally, one small team will be there. Whatever future future support work needs to be there, then these people will take care. Okay, that is like a operational based. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Now, first point is clear. So now, sir, I am a first time learner. Okay, and you are telling very correctly. Okay, so what you implemented. Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one. This is and all. We are now fine, little comfortable. Okay, after phase one, we are able to at least. Okay, if someone asks me, okay, what you implemented in incident management, I can at least speak, sir. Out of now, I am building my capacity of in interviews. Interview capacity, I am building it. First day, I can't speak anything. If someone asks, if someone given me a chance to speak, like I can speak at least for 15 minutes. Correct? Can you all tell, like, can you at least speak 15 minutes after this 20 classes with the knowledge?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if you allow me, how much time I can speak, ma? I can speak 20 hours, correct? If the interviewer is able to hear, I can speak 20 hours, correct?
Yes.
Yes, because maybe I build some little more capacity. I'm speaking, right? Maybe let's say on an average, you can speak 15 minutes at least. If they don't interfere and then ask you, like, let's say I will give you a job if you at least speak 15 minutes on ServiceNow. You speak anything, right? Can I say everyone first time learners, you can speak minimum 15 minutes now?
Of course.
Yes.
We should not say I didn't join the class that time.
That is also when I ask now, see here, ma, okay. I'll get light kind of sometimes I will go away, okay, my mood will change. When I ask someone, unmute and say I don't know. At least don't be dumb. If you say, sir, I don't know, sir, I am very much happy. At least you spoken, you acknowledged. If you don't speak anything, if you don't respond, I'll get mad, and it will impact the entire session. Maybe my previous students know about my madness. Okay, so I don't expect everyone to speak. I don't expect everyone to be up to date. Everyone have lot of challenges. Your own job is there, your family is there, kids are there, so many things are there. Okay, still you are attending it, you are showing your commitment. I still appreciate. But when I ask, sir, I don't know. I never scolded you if someone says I don't know. Did I scold anyone here? If I say, sir, I don't know.
No.
Okay, right? But maybe I will add something. So please prioritize, ma. Please commit it, ma. Please learn it, ma. Please practice it, ma. Maybe I will that your reply will tell me, okay, where you are, so that I can add something, I can help something, or I can at least think something. If you don't respond to anything, I can't even help. And if I can't help, no one can help you. That I can tell, 100%. You can completely trust me. Maximum I will help you. I don't cheat anyone. Okay. So that is the reason I will pinpoint and ask, ma, what is that? Can you speak? When I say, you open up and say, sir, I can't speak. Okay. In last batch, one of the student was there. Okay. When he joined, his communication was purely bad. Whenever I intentionally ask him, can you speak? He will say, sir, I will speak in Telugu. Then he will try. Completely not good English, but he will try. I will listen carefully. Okay. If you don't speak here, you can't speak anywhere. This is your family. Okay. Feel like you are just started your speaking like a 1 year kid. You speak anything. We will all hear. Be comfortable. Okay. Please. Now going back. Sir, you are covering very good here. Okay. You covered all these topics, but I don't know what is incident management. I don't know anything about incident management. I don't know anything about problem management. If they come up and say, okay, so I will say like this. Okay, so I created these three columns. I will say like this. In incident form, I created three columns. Okay, so in one of the column is maybe I created customer. Okay, I created three fields. One field is customer field, and then I applied reference qualifier to that customer field. Then I will immediately ask, in the incident page, there is the caller field, which is meant for customer selection. Why you created again a customer field? Is my question correct?
Yes, sir.
Everyone correct?
Yes.
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 Yeah.
Yes.
So we covered the topics, but what is missing? What is missing is the platform level knowledge is missing. When I say I implemented something about incident management, I should know at least the basic life cycle of incident management. Correct? I need to know this form. I need to know the definitions of at least few important fields, and I should know about at least incident management life cycle. Is that correct, ma? You all agree?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. So, along with our developments, we also need to learn minimum few applications. Okay. In those minimum also, incident application is must first one, because this is where every platform should have incident management, and we do a lot of development and incident management, and then problem, okay, and then change, and these things are fine, request or something, right? Now immediately one more question will come. Okay, you 15 minutes spoken. Okay, at least, okay, now Maya, you say like that, then immediately they will ask, apart from ITSM, what else you implemented? Those, okay. So now at least we tried something. Now he asked something else. So I don't know then. Correct? I told at least I learned incident management application. I can at least say what is meaning of category, what is the meaning of subcategory, what is priority, what is urgency. All this stuff we will start learning it slowly. Okay. So after 55 sessions, we at least learn at least one or two applications from ITSM shoot. But now they are expecting a lot. Maybe CMDB, GRC, now ITOM, okay, APM, PPM. That's where you are coming up with. Sir, do you teach all these things? Correct? So, after this, we also will learn at least one more application. I suggest, okay, I will suggest few applications. They are task-based tables only. The definitions will be more or less same like incident and problem because they are child of task, okay? So, either you go, okay, agile applications, in agile application story, epic, theme, okay, release, these things, or few are in ITBM, okay, demand management or idea management, right? Sir, here also how I will learn, sir. I will give you how I will learn. Okay, today after, okay, next 20 minutes I will speak how I will learn. Okay, along with these applications, we need to at least know, okay, I implemented something on demand management. Then they will ask you, what is the demand? Demand is this one. What is incident? Incident is an issue. What is a problem? Bigger issue. What is request? Not an issue, but a request. What is a demand? Some XYZ. What is an idea? Some XYZ. Okay, this is also required. This is platform knowledge. Along with development knowledge, we need also the platform knowledge. At least some extent, not like deep extent. Till this point clear, ma?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay. Today, what we see is we will see at least something called incident management. Okay, first time learners who don't know anything about incident management. Okay, we will learn incident management. So, first of all, incident management. Okay. Okay, let's say we have Ramagaru. Okay, Ramagaru is a fresher. So you don't know at least some. Okay, at least others maybe few people know something, but maybe for few people like freshers, they don't know even anything. Okay, let's say some XYZ. Okay, don't name it. Okay, I'm a fresher. I don't know anything. So now I want to learn incident management. So are told to learn incident management. How to learn it? Okay, simple thing is go here. Okay, say incident. Okay, you come to this page, right? So when you come to this page, you have new, create 10 to 20 incidents. That's it. Okay. First step, first tip number one. Sir, if I create 10 to 20 incidents, will I get incident management knowledge? Good. So I am very new. I am very new to incident management. I don't know anything about incident management. So I will open this page. When I open this page, okay, give me 1 second. Let me clear many items where you don't have it. Means out of the box. Okay. So I have it. I don't have it. You 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 don't have it. So I'm clearing it up so that we all will be in the same page. You also follow me, okay? In a nice manner, okay? So this is how you see the page in your instance also somewhere, somehow like this, okay? One or two maybe extra. So now I don't know anything about instant management, nothing. Even spelling also I don't know. I came here, say new. So I need to select one person here. Correct color it's showing, okay? I will select. Now my mind will think, what here? My mind will ask a question, okay? Who is caller? In live environment, if exactly I'm creating a incident in my live environment once I get into a company, okay, if I create an incident that time, or if I am working on an incident, caller is there is a value for caller. What what is this definition of caller? Will my mind think something about it? Yes.
Yes.
Then obviously we'll get an answer. Okay, caller is the person who got the pain. Means issue. Good. Caller manager obviously correct. Now I will go here. I don't know anything about it. Okay, so I will learn. I will just click it. Inquiry, software, hardware, network, database. After seeing this particular list of choices, what my mind will tell, okay, the incident you are raising it, maybe the category is something like what type of incident you are creating, what type of issue you got it. Is that correct? Or will my mind will not tell anything back? Okay, will it tell? It will tell. Okay, now tell one example for inquiry. What can be an example for inquiry? Inquiry based issue or software based issue? Can just someone tell software based issue?
Outlook is not working.
Which application?
Outlook.
Outlook
Outlook
is
is
not
not.
working. So software based Outlook is not working. So out of 20, you got one. Outlook not working. Okay, then software is fine. Hardware issue.
Mouse is not working.
Mouse is not working.
Keyboard is not working
Mouse is
properly.
not working. Keyboard is not working. Now nothing will work. Okay, for our instance. Good. So mouse, keyboard. Okay. Pen drive socket. Okay.
LAN
LAN.
port.
Okay. LAN port is not working. All those things. Now network issue. Tell me.
Wi-Fi is not working.
Wi-Fi is not
Wi-Fi.
working. Okay. Scanner is not working. Printer is not working. So they are also related to network. Okay. Let's say like this. Okay. Wi-Fi is not working. Okay. So okay. Good. Next. Database issue. My application is connecting to a database. Okay. The backend database is down. So my application is failing. Database issue. So let's say you kept like the software issue. Okay. And then you written Outlook is not working. So where you write short description. Now you understood what about short description, correct? Right? You need to write something about issue. Where you write it? Short description. Description. Okay. So while launching the Outlook, okay, it is more descriptive. Description means not short but more. Okay. Outlook, it is giving. Okay. Ended up with error. Okay, 404. More specific and attached. Maybe you can attach that file here. Good. So short description covered. Okay, category covered. So now subcategory. So maybe in our instance we have very limited. Okay, maybe in live environment we'll have more options, more relevant client-based options. Okay, so software. Okay, it's a voice related application. Good. What is configuration item? Okay, then what is the state? Right. So you create after 20 incidents you created. Okay, will you learn something automatically or you don't learn anything about the definitions of each field in the form? Will you learn? Will you don't? We don't learn.
Yes, we will learn.
Okay. So is this the easiest way of learning an application? Okay. The other way is, so I want to learn incident application. Okay. So what I will do, incident is the ITL application. So go here. Okay. So ITIL incident definitions. Okay, then it will give you one nice document, ITL framework document. Okay, open it and then read everything. What is category, what is subcategory, what is assignment group, what is short description, what is description, everything they will give you. Okay, another nice 30 pages. So you start reading it. Half an hour you read and then you get sleep and then you leave it. It's not my topic. So this is the second way of learning the things. Which is good way to learn? Which is easiest way to learn? First way or
First
second
way.
way?
Real time.
First way.
Real
First way,
time.
correct?
First.
That's right.
So for any application you want to like to learn before the closure, before the classes closure, okay, at least focus few here. Whatever I given the list, okay, this list is important. At least here, maybe one, two. This don't take much time, but if you know the meanings of them and then if you are able to tell them properly, like I implemented demand management, this is how the standard life cycle, we just changed something using these concepts and all. If you are able to tell, then you are a real-time employee, you know the topics. Okay, this is where people will fail to answer. Trust me, maybe if anyone are attending interviews, maybe you can confirm it. Correct, everyone? Yes. So now, sir, incident management fields are vision field. Okay, are these enough, sir? No. For every application, there is something called life cycle. Okay. So what is the incident management life cycle? So when we are practicing creation of 20, 10 or 20 incidents, also you do one thing. Okay, learn basics about incident management. Very basic. Don't read 100 lines of things. Okay, incident management. Just go here. Say ServiceNow, sorry, ITSM, ITL incident management. That's it. Don't add ServiceNow also because incident management is not ServiceNow based. Okay, it's just a framework. You go here, try to get maybe a nice one, simple one, which you feel okay like this. Okay, and then at least try to understand what is incident management, the life cycle of incident management. Okay, so like this. Let's see here. Okay, I don't know what is this. Okay, site. So this is good. I think this is clear. So the incident management life cycle contains few steps, right? So what are the few steps are? Okay, let's see here. Maybe if we get something here. I thought of give you a document where it have maybe the fields definitions also. Like this. Okay. Current incident, maybe it is related to not identify incident. This much of complex is not required. Okay, let's say like this. Simple. Okay, I will make it simple. Okay. So some X person, okay, two people are there. Okay, in live in HR programs now, some programs will be conducted. Okay. So instead of teaching this way, maybe if we would have not online but offline classes, now we can practice all this. Okay. So let's say person A is there. Okay. Person B is there. Right. The person A have an Outlook issue. What he will do? He will go and create an incident. Correct. Is that correct, ma?
Yes.
So he's a
Yes.
customer. He created an incident. Then it is an Outlook issue. Right. So like this. Okay. Let's create the incident. Okay. Let's create it. So now when it's created it, okay, he will from user point of view think like that. Okay, from user point of view he will select, okay, I can't read my mails, so it's my high priority for me. From user point of view, this is correct now. This is how the people will raise the tickets. Correct? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
But okay. Right. So now when it comes to the assignments, means like who will work on this ticket? Maybe there is a team who will handle all the application, okay, office application issues like Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Office, and all. Okay, there is an application maybe like software group. Okay, so the software group people they will assign it. Okay, then when they take this particular one, okay, let's say I took it, person B took it here. person B came into picture from software group. So he took it. David Lou took it. Right? So he took it and then he started it. Okay, in progress. Save. Right? So when you took it, first thing what he will do is, okay, whether is he created with correct category. Okay, maybe he said database here. You don't know how to create an incident. Okay, you put database here. Okay, and then he said Outlook issue. He created like this. Consider like he created like this. So is that correct categorization? No. So
No.
first this guy needs to say categorization is very important. Why? Because here only we will get to know what is exactly issue. If this categorization, this Outlook issue is not meant for these people, immediately they will change this group to some other group. They will change this group to maybe some other group who are intent to fulfill it. If this is not my ticket, why I will keep in my queue? Correct? Yes.
Yes. Correct.
Yes. So immediately they will check the category. If it is not there, then they will move to the right group. Okay, hardware group or network group or something. Okay. So categorization first thing when the incident is created, one of the first life cycle step is categorization. Then next one is prioritization. Okay. So I took this ticket. He mentioned high, but this is a too many ticket for me. Like this, I will see 100 tickets daily. Okay. So for me, for my definitions, my group definitions, according to company definitions, okay, this ticket cannot be a high priority. Maybe it is a low priority or medium priority. Okay. So I'll cover something. So it is two. Okay, it is came two. It is now four. So now in the same ticket, okay, affected number of users. Okay, 150. Now can I make it low?
No.
No. No.
Should be
No.
high.
No.
Obviously we can't
Critical.
take it as low because 150 means it is high. Okay, then medium or high. You are understanding it here? Yes. So first one categorization, second one prioritization. Okay. Then okay, let's say I consider like this. I took it. Now what I will do? I will connect with the user. Okay, and then I will start working on it. Okay. So sir, what happened, sir? Okay. So I created an incident. This is what they happen. Okay. So then if I have some knowledge, I will connect to his computer and then see maybe restarting the Outlook or maybe checking some logs or something. That is more specific to error. And then I will try to fix it. If not, I will move to the right group. So let's say I got the issue. Okay. I fixed the issue. Okay. So what I will do, I will go here and then say, okay, in your instance, give me 1 second, please. Please give me 1 second because I don't know what happened in my instance. I should see resolved. Resolved is one of the very important field, but I am not seeing it. What I did. In your all instances, resolved will be there now. Okay. So resolved field is must. It needs to show. Maybe I disabled it to show something.
So in the choice list, probably you disabled it. Actually,
Yes.
I had the same problem.
Okay. Now go back. Right. So now I got the fix. Okay. And I did something and I know that it is fixed. So I will say resolved. I don't directly close. As part of incident management lifecycle, the fulfiller, the person who is assigned with this ticket, he should not directly close it. He should say only resolved. Okay, so good. Now, once it is resolved, right? Once the ticket is resolved, what happens is ServiceNow system will send a mail to customer. Okay, saying your ticket is resolved. Okay, please verify from your end and then confirm the closure. Okay, so what is the expectation is The customer needs to validate it, whether the issue is fixed for him or not. If it is fixed, then he needs to come and close. If it is not fixed, then he can move back to in progress. Because who needs to confirm that? Who needs to confirm that?
Caller.
Yes, caller,
Customer.
right? Customer or caller, right? So the customer needs to confirm it. So he needs to close it. This person only resolve it. He needs to close it. So, okay, sir, I resolved one request and the customer is not responding back. Okay. Till the time, normally, generally, in live environment, till the time issue is there, people will bug you. Okay, you spend a lot of efforts and then you solve them. Then they don't even see you, at least acknowledge you. That's how it happens in live. No gratitude at all. Correct? IT people, is that correct? At least they don't say, okay, it's fixed.
Exactly.
Okay. The okay, maybe the other way. In life, nah. Okay. Okay, let's finish it. I will speak later. My spiritual guru will come, okay, when I heard something like this. Okay. So now resolved. Okay, the expectation is customer needs to come and then confirm it. So closed. Sir, the customer is not he don't care now because his issue is fixed, so he don't care. So we will leave that incident only with resolved, sir, for lifelong? No. We will be having a rules in the back end. Okay, the rule will check 3 days or 4 days or 1 day. If you don't confirm it, then it will automatically close it. You are understanding, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is how the incident management life cycle is. All these steps are part of incident management life cycle. Okay. Now you read the document. Somewhere we see in the steps now. Where is that? Some okay. So incident logging means person A creating an incident. Then incident categorization. So someone validated the ticket. So I written some person A written blah 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 here. So this guy who is taking care of it, so he validate it. You just check it and categorize it. Okay, is that P1, P2? Okay, is that right category selected? Okay, for which category it is belongs to, what issue it is, because incident management is one of the very heaviest application, man. Okay, let's say the organization is having okay 20,000, 50,000 people means daily so many incidents will be created. If I don't able to log into my system means incident. If I don't able to, if my mood is not good means incident. Like that it will be created. Seriously, I'm telling. Maybe if any service desk people are there, service desk leads are people. Okay, maybe people who came from call center background or service desk background, they know it, the pain, right? So categorization, then prioritization.
Here, Sridhar, considering ServiceNow being in place for almost like 10, 15 years right now, so most of the companies will have this incident management mostly developed, right? As a developer, what other work would we have? Whatever work you have been mentioning looks like a service desk work.
For whom?
As a
For
developer, what can we?
no, sir. This question, okay. Your question is like this is main for service desk people, correct?
Yes, yes. So basically, all the flow comes in, a ticket comes in. This is how
Okay,
we do it.
I will tell like
That's a
this.
know-how.
I will maybe I will tell in a different way. Like the incident application is not for service desk. It is a global application. Okay, let's say one issue there. Okay, one of the user is trying to access one of the application in ServiceNow. Okay, so he's trying to access B23. Okay, he got an error here. Security failed. So what he will do? He will create an incident,
Based incident.
and
Yes.
that incident will
Yes,
come to
yes.
whom? It will go to service desk,
To
or
Yeah, the
it will go.
developers.
Wait, it will go to service desk, or it will go to ServiceNow team.
Service now developers. Yes.
Correct,
Service
na?
now
No,
team.
no, no. It's assigned to assignment group.
Which
A
assignment group?
particular group.
ServiceNow assignment group. Our group. Correct.
Yes.
So it is not only the incident management is not only service desk application, sir. It's global application. Correct.
Yes, yes. Excellent.
Okay. Now logging, categorization, prioritization. Good. Assignment. Why assignment came into picture here? Because Outlook issue came and it is assigned to which group? Software group. Why it is not went for database group? So the assignment is also one of the steps. Then, okay, this one is not required, ma. Okay. SLA's escalation, okay, these and all, like we can just modify it. This is based on one section, okay, one part of one tool based definition. So you can say, okay, analyze and fix. Okay, and once the issue is fixed, then what you do? Incident resolution. Okay, once the issue resolved, then what the next step is? Closure by customer. Maybe here we can also include one more step. Okay, so documentation, knowledge article creation. It's not mandatory but optional. Okay, so knowledge creation. So why knowledge creation is required? So today, okay, we fixed one issue, right? So tomorrow the same issue came for the same guy. Okay, we can also say one more thing, like, okay, so there is an knowledge article. If you can able to do, you can fix by yourself. You don't need to create a incident here. You can do directly by yourself. Correct? Or maybe the other way is, okay, today I fixed it. Tomorrow the ticket went to one of the other agent from my team. He can refer some knowledge articles and then fix it. So knowledge management application is like a weapon. You can keep so much of knowledge there so that it helps many people. Okay, few companies will spend a lot of money to maintain the good knowledge articles, knowledge base, knowledge application, knowledge repository. Okay, good. So now I don't know anything about instant application. Then I started creating 10 to 20 instant application. This is the easiest way to create, easiest way to learn. When I'm creating it, maybe I stuck somewhere like, okay, I didn't know what is this. I didn't know why these four fields are. Then I will learn, I will read some small documents, not very heavy. Okay, always go lighter, don't go heavy. Okay, and then I got little bit about it, and then I got something about life cycle about it. So now at least I know little about incident management. Now if someone asks why you did it, why you created customer field, why you created a customer field when we already have a caller field, they don't ask. First of all, you don't tell I created a customer field because you already knew there is a caller field here. You, whatever the three fields that you said, those fields will not be here. You will tell something different. You create, your mind will create a next simple story, relevant story when you know the concept. Clear everyone? All good everyone? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So this is about incident management and life cycle. Okay. And there is one more important thing in incident management called SLA. Okay. We see the SLA separately. In a simple way, what is SLA is, so let's say one ticket is created and one ticket is the ticket same ticket is assigned to software group. How much time they have to fix this issue? They can't take 1 year, no? Correct? Or they can't take 1 week or 1 month. So based on the priority of the incident, the time will be allocated. The management will decide, okay, for incident application, priority 1, 8 hours, priority 2, maybe 10 hours, priority 3, 3 days, priority 4, maybe some 4 days, 5 days. So like that, SLAs will be defined. Then when we have the SLAs in system, when the ticket is created with that uh, particular type of, okay, priority, then obviously the clock will start. You're understanding my point, ma? This is also one of the very core component of incident management, SLA. Okay, I removed those two now. One is SLA, right? So SLA we will separately learn. There is a concept to cover SLA. Okay, so that we cover it. But for now, I am just skipping it. Okay, all good now. So I don't want to like the topic why I covered this one is not to teach about incident management. Okay, but to set the right expectation. Don't only stick to with okay only development. Okay, this part is also very important. Platform level knowledge is also very important. That is the reason, maybe did I told you or not, first day I told how many you are asked your family members like what you are doing it. Did I cover that part, ma? To you? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So why I asked that question is, your husband, your brother, your wife, your sister, whoever, they will be working on some tool, but they will be involved with any one of the process. Just to trust me. You just go and tell, okay, what is your job? This is my job. How you get the tickets? Maybe they will raise incidents, tasks, requests. They will tell. Then they are into ITIL only. Then you say, okay, you are also my category only. You are doing chumma, but we are maintaining the entire service now. If we, okay, by worst case, if you tell, okay, we work on task management and we use service now, then you can call, you can do like this, your caller, okay, and then say, who is developing that service now? We are only developing the service now. You can tell like that. You're understanding, ma? The platform knowledge is must. Don't only see this way. We see in this way. We are learning this way, but this is also core. Understanding it? So I'm a okay. So class is done. Okay. So I'm a director, right? In my organization, I'm a kind of yes. Okay, associate director, right? So sometimes mass gatherings will be there. Okay, what I'm typing director. Okay, mass gatherings will be there. Maybe sometimes they will pull me to represent it. Okay. So I need to speak. When I want to speak it, I need to speak by representing my entire platform. My platform is 40,000 to 45,000 people of platform service now. We administrate a platform of this much active users. So when I say like this, first thing what I will do is I am from ServiceNow and we administrate a tool where our entire XYZ company people or users or customers are using it. So where I am standing now? I am standing on cloud. Yes,
Yes.
yes, na. So these 10 developers or 12 developers are administrating a platform of, okay, a big platform of 45,000 people platform. We are developing things here. That's where we stood here. Okay, good. First thing. Second thing is life. Okay, a common thing generally. Okay, uh, many people. Okay, it's our human tendency. Okay, acknowledgement, gratitude. We somehow miss it. Okay, so why I'm telling this one is someone will try for something for you. Okay, small one or big one or something. Okay, because of the love or because of the affection, attraction. Okay, maybe commitment, your relationship. Someone will do something. Maybe your husband will do something, your wife will do something, your brother will do something, your friends will do something, and your friends also mainly. This is very important, friends. Okay, friends normally, na wife, husband, they are all relations. They have to do. My wife needs to prepare a breakfast for me. She have to do. Whether I acknowledge, don't acknowledge, that is my fate. But she have to do. Okay. But friends, they are like, okay, someone helped you something. Till the time we take that help, after that help, we don't acknowledge. At least say, okay, because of your help, I got this. Thank you. We don't tell. We will completely forget. So, many people will tell, but maximum cases we forget it. And gratitude, acknowledgement is at least fine. Gratitude is something like after 10 days, when we speak with the same person, if you are able to recollect it and then say thanks again, that is gratitude. Ray, on that day, because of you, I got it. Now still I'm getting the benefits. Thank you again. If we are able to tell this too, okay, the respect that you get it from other person from that time is very huge. Trust me. Correct? Agree? Sir, nonsense, sir. You all agree, ba?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
100% agree.
So yeah,
Agree.
so this is not required for our session, but what we covered today is incident management. Okay, so as I suggested, Maybe what is for your assignment today is, okay, create minimum 10 incidents. Sir, I know already incident management, I know platform knowledge. For you, not required. You concentrate on the other part. But for people who don't know anything about IT, ServiceNow, okay, when you are entering into IT means you have to create minimum 10 incidents today. And with a different categorization, different issues, completely different issues. Think like you are in a software company, you are an associate of a company. Okay. Sir, I'm not striking any ideas. Then go to incident management application. Then look for incidents, existing incident. This will teach you 100 examples, right? So created, not recent. Okay, go back. Go to 2 years back. Came with system. Correct. Now, where is this one? Soft description. Just get it. I'll just take another 2 minutes, ma. Please excuse. Right. So need access to sales DB for West. Right. So it's a request. Why is an incident? This is my first strike. Then maybe I need to read description. Okay. This is also not an issue. Okay. Maybe this is an issue. Right. So when I read this issue, soft SAP materials management is slow and there is an outage. So I don't know anything in ServiceNow. I don't know anything about IT things, software things and all. When I read it, I slowly start. My mind is slowly learning. Okay, there is an SAP tool, and they have this kind of issues. They may get these kind of issues. Correct? Unable to access Teams file share. So there is a common file share. Okay, I'm not able to access it. So what is the Teams file share? What is a file share? I don't know. Learn it. So we are trending towards IT. Correct? We are learning towards IT. Correct? These are all examples will teach you something. Correct, everyone?
Yes, exactly.
Yes. So you have everything. Only thing is you need to practice it. Assignment is 10 incidents creation. And 10 is minimum. When I say 10, minimum. Okay. That's it. Any questions, please?
Today's session increased my confidence to attend the interview. Actually, I was scared and getting lot of call to have a interview, but I think it will help me a lot. How to